Hello, I'm Diana Ruth Briscoe with Bridges.Academy here with David Quigley. David, please let us know about your Alchemical Dreamwork class.
Therapists and psychologists have known for over a century that dreams contain important clues, not only to subconscious complexes and neuroses, but also clues to past, present, and future about our lives. Dreams of psychological insight, dreams of advice about our lives and our relationships and our choices, even dreams about our destiny and our future. However, the problem is that most people don't know how to interpret this information. Yes, you can go to a licensed psychotherapist and they can use the formula that they learned in school. Yes, you can have the therapist ask you what you think the dream might mean, or they might even trust their own intuition. But alchemical dreamwork is the most powerful and effective way to access the underlying meaning and purpose of the dream, because we enter the dream in trance. We speak to the beings within the dream. We find out what their message for us is. We learn to become those powerful resources. We even get journeys back into experiences of our childhood and our present life to look at what the dream is showing us. And thus we not only understand the meaning of the dream, but learn its lessons and experience the transformation that dream offers us. That's what you'll get to experience in the Alchemical Dreamwork class. Bring a dream and expect not only to learn from it, but to be transformed by it through Alchemical Dreamwork.
Yes, and I've taken this class and I've seen how someone presented a dream and how once we did that alchemical process, how they actually really finally got the message. And doing this is really going to bring so much more access to the individual's own healing and empowerment. So thank you so much. You're able to join this on Zoom and in a supportive group environment. So thank you so much for offering this profound healing process, David.